All right, so this next segment, we're gonna be talking about how we can work on a student's body awareness using a scarf, okay? So I think the one thing that you can really do is help them identify their left and rights, okay? So if you have a student who's holding the scarf like this, or you can even tie it around their arm, and you can tell the student to raise the hand that they have the scarf with, and you tell them like, this is your right hand, okay, the one that you have the scarf in. Same thing with your left. You can have the student hold it on their left hand, and you tell them to raise their scarf like this, and you tell them that this is your left hand, right? Okay? And same thing on your foot, you can tie it just like this, okay? And you tell the student to raise their right or their foot with the scarf, and you help them identify that this is their left foot, okay? Just like that, okay? And you can also do something where you ask them to get the scarf and wiggle it on their left toe, just like that, okay? You can do the same thing with your left. You can tell them to take your scarf and wiggle it with your right toe. And not only that, it's also working on their body awareness, but also their bilateral coordination, right? Because they're working on using two different body parts, okay? And crossing the midline as well, okay? All right, friends, another cool way to use scarves is also to have the students move the scarves around their bodies. So I'm going to show you one example. You can have the students move the scarf in a circle around their waist. And the great thing about this is it's actually working on crossing the midline for the students. And that's a really important skill that students should be learning at a young age and as they're developing as well. Okay, another way is to also have them move the scarf across their leg, just like that, okay? And same thing with the other leg, you can do the same thing, just like that. All right, and also another way is you can also have them identify where their head is at. You can put the scarf on top of their head just like that. And the great thing about this is the students love it. They love seeing the pretty colors. And then you can have them also shake their head at the end and let the scarf fall to the floor.